Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Yelp app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on notification categories. Then come to this list, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to review comments, click in this sign, sorry. So you click in this sign here, that like we see this color show for us. That's me review comments notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.